Many years of sporting excellence. Many years of class hospitality. Many years of togetherness. One culture. BRC. Ever since it was formed on August 25th, 1929, BRC has gradually developed into a culture. It's not just a name. Something which started humbly with just rowing has developed into an arcade of sports. Swimming, badminton, squash, billiards, snooker, pool, table tennis, darts, card room facility, karate, gym, all are part of BRC culture now. The BRC culture implants a sense of togetherness, a sense of being in a community. A sense of developing together a futuristic society of peace through sports and entertainment. A whole lot of effort, good thought process, innovation, and overall a good community of people are contributors to the BRC culture. It can be well defined as a joint effort of all members and associates. Rowing has kept the BRC community ticking ever since its inception. Rowing has always been close to the heart of every BRC member and has brought respect and acclaim. Outstanding performance in West Bengal Rowing Championship, participation in ARAE and FEARA held in the Philippines, and good performance in yearly Students' Rowing Championships are to name a few. However, other sports have equally attracted members, producing world-class billiards and snooker maestros such as Saurav Kothari, Brijesh Damani, and Suniti Damani, world champions in the Royal Calcutta Darts League for the second consecutive year. Excellent facilities provided for quality training in karate. An exquisite facility provided for badminton with international class wooden flooring available round the year. Card room facility provided keeping in mind senior members and those who wish to spend their leisure hours in quiet ambience. New addition is for squash. A spanking new state-of-the-art court has been unveiled. A long-standing member's request is now fulfilled. Promotion and development of performing arts by members has always been a culture of BRC. Whether it is musical nights, the magnum opus, the Christmas Carnival, or the Kavi Sammelan, all are hot favorites of members. Drawing large crowds, such events are eagerly looked forward to. Creative Forum is also an effort to talk about. From seeking medical guidance on common or life-threatening diseases to many a challenge of life, advice is given about all. Talking about the club infrastructure, the lawn continues to be the pride and joy of BRC. Every care is taken to ensure that it delights members, while seasonal adorning borders of the lawn are a treat to the eyes when in full bloom. Catering is the nerve center of all club activities and the most sensitive and delicate of all BRC operations. To maintain high standards of cuisines, the club recently refurbished the entire kitchen, making it both more hygienic and operationally more effective. Great care is taken on the quality of food served, as this has been the club's forte over the years. VRC's mouthpiece, the quarterly magazine Waves and Words, has become immensely popular. It is an important link between members and the club and is aimed at offering readers an in-depth review of club activities. Other efforts includes acquiring of trade license and food safety and standards certificate as per Indian Act, installation of state-of-the-art fire safety measures, which is in accordance with statutory obligations. Throughout the year, emphasis was laid in reducing wasteful and unproductive expenditure. Systems were under intense review, and the focus was on productive work. New software introduced to modernize and bring transparency in all-round operations. Future milestones, including a sports complex to house under one roof several games facilities, is now underway. Happy clubbing to all.